Hello, with this video I'm going to show you the different features of a Realtor iFlyer. But first let me state that a Realtor iFlyer is not a replacement for your paper flyers and for sale signs. It actually is an enhancement. Each Realtor iFlyer is assigned its own unique website address which you must add to your flyers. That's why you need to contact us before you print your flyers. Now when a customer sees your paper flyers or for sale signs, they'll see a website address that'll link to your Realtor iFlyer. One other thing, after you add the website address to your flyer, you have to email us the computer file of your flyer so we can convert it to a digital image file and add it to your Realtor iFlyer. Okay, now let's just pretend that this little demo Realtor iFlyer and this image that you see here, house for sale flyer, was your flyer. You emailed it to us, we converted it to a digital image file, and we put it online. Now, you'll see that the background here is a little, what we call a little brick wallpaper. We just wanted to have some sort of simulation as if it was a flyer that was posted up onto the wall. The top here says Demo Realtor iFlyer, but we can put any name there, your name or business name if that's the case. And below the flyer is the nav bar, which links to the different sections and pages of the Realtor iFlyer, which we'll step through each one. We can just scroll up and down and the person can see the entire flyer as they scroll the page. Okay, let's go back. And also clicking on the page or the background makes the nav bar and the title bar, show and hide. So this way it's never blocking anything. Alright? Okay, so let's step through each page one at a time and explain what each one is for. Now, the more info page is just what it implies. It allows you to add additional information that you might not have been able to fit onto your flyer. You can use this opportunity to be more descriptive and detail oriented with the property details. There's no limit on what you want to add. Just give us the text, we'll format it accordingly, and you get final say so on what the output is. Click on the next button, which is the photo page, and we allow you up to 8 photos on this page, but if you have a Flickr account, and we suggest you create one, it's free, we can link to it so that this way the customer can click on this more photos on Flickr and can see your additional photos on your Flickr account of the property in question. Right here it's a pretty cool photo gallery, and the person can just click on them and each one will expand. And it also has controls within it so you can just scan through it. Now our advice is that when you provide photos, that you provide photos all of the same size. It just looks better in all due honesty. So same size, same orientation. Even if they're a little bit slightly different, we can modify them a bit, but bottom line is photos the same size work best. Video. Now we have a video here that we've included, but any video that you have hosted on YouTube or one that you've recorded with your own mobile phone, send us that file. We'll put it online and we can add it to your Realtor iFlyer. In this case it's a demo of a house tour. I guess I'll click play so you can see a little bit of it. There should be some audio attached with it, so you get the idea. So stop it. And we just simply believe that, almost everybody has a smartphone, an iPhone, an Android phone that has the capability of recording video. So by all means, you should record a video of the property that you're trying to sell, or the room, or the house. Okay, let's go to audio. Another underused technology. Your phone has the capability to record an audio file as well as your computer. We'll tell you how that's done. And you record any type of infomercial or audio personal message that you want, email it to us, we'll convert it to the proper format and we'll add it to this audio player so your customers can hear what your personal message is. It's just a nice way to connect with your customers on a more personal level than just simply using text. So go to share. This is the social media share buttons that basically allows any visitor to your Realtor iFlyer to share what they've seen with their friends and associates via Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, and Google+, just by clicking on any one of these buttons. Next is seller info. This allows you, whether you're a real estate agent or a broker, or you're an individual selling the property yourself or trying to rent it, you can use this page as an opportunity to provide a little information about yourself. I mean, it's totally optional, but again, we're talking about property and homes and things like that, and sometimes it's nice to be as personal as possible with the person you're trying to connect with. Because it's a big decision on their part, so they kind of like to have a feeling of getting to know the person that they're dealing with. And the last is map. Now we have in this example of the map, which links to the Empire State Building, but I mean obviously it can link to this map can be configured to link to your location of your property or to your business office. The option is totally up to you. We know that some realtors, for a variety of reasons, don't like to use or publish the exact address of the property in question. They like you to go through them first. And again, like we said, this is just an optional feature, and so if you don't want to include it, we can remove it. If you just wanted to link directly to your business, we can do that. One last thing I forgot to point out was the Contact Us form. This is a little button that's, if you notice, it was always on every page of the iFlyer, and all you do is just move your mouse pointer over it and it slides out. The customer just adds in their name and email, phone number, and message, and hit submit. We configure this form so that it sends you the form contact to whatever email address you gave us. So it's a nice little cool form here for people to communicate with you by email if they choose not to contact you by phone. Back to the home page, and that's it. That basically is what a Realtor iFlyer is. Oh well, let me just point out here that, as we stated at the beginning, that you can you'll get a website address that we assign each Realtor iFlyer so that customers can find it online. And we tell you that you should add it to your flyer like it's done for this demo here. In this case, it just says realtoriflyer.com.demo. We, of course, would give you your own unique name for your Realtor iFlyer. Just in case you don't know what this is the QR code. This really helps if somebody has a mobile phone and they want to view this Realtor iFlyer from their mobile device. Okay, and this of course can be a photo. Again, this is just a particular style of a flyer that we've created, but again, if you have your own, you give it to us, we scan it or convert it to a digital image file, and we add your flyer to this site here, and we just simply enhance it by adding all these different features: photos, video, audio, share your information, and map. Okay, I hope that's been informative. If you got any questions, you know our number. Give us a call, and thanks for your time.